Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name is Diego and I'm going to do a little unboxing today. I just got a package from the mail. I'm gonna go get it. This package is from Robby from Robby's Reptiles. It contains a male heterozygous for the Axanthic gene and a possible female also heterozygous for the Axanthic gene. Now this is going to change a little bit my season for 2025. I had some plans, but they're gonna probably be changed if these guys get up to weight in a couple months, which they could if they eat a good diet based on insects like we do in here. And without further ado, let's just go straight into it. Now I wanna advise you that these geckos are not gonna look anything crazy. They're just gonna be probably low pattern harlequins or flames, which is what most heterozygous axanthics look like. Also, Robby was really clear during the whole time of the shipment, so I don't have any complaints with him. The package did get delayed one day. It is obviously not Robby's fault. It is probably just FedEx's fault because that's what's been happening with a lot of different people. It didn't matter which reptile shipping company you were shipping with. Your reptiles are probably going to be delayed for a couple days. But it did get here today, so I was a little bit anxious yesterday, but they're here. Now let's check on them, make sure that they're well and healthy. I'm gonna put the camera here. I already made a cut here, and it should be open. Of course, I would expect him to provide with proper shipment practices, like installation, for example. There is a either cool or heat pack here. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I think it's both things at the same time, which I've never seen. It's a ship safe face pack. Interesting. Okay, this is probably a cool pack, I would guess. Gecko number 1. This is, I think, the male. And gecko number 2, the possible female. They both look healthy. I'm going to check on them right now and see pores or stuff like that. If we see pores on the female, that's going to be an indication that it is a possible male. He already checked for me, so there's no need to double check, but I like to just in case. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope these geckos have good structure once they grow up. They don't seem to have horrible head structure. The spikes are also pretty good and consistent. So I think they have the potential to have pretty good heads, but we will see that in the future. He clearly has a bulge, meaning that he's a male. He also does look really pretty, even if it weren't a het axanthic, it would be a really pretty gecko. Robby does have some of the best geckos in America, and people tend to not like him, but I think it was awesome to work with him. Okay, what we're looking at here is the pre-cloacal or pre-anal pores from this gecko. As you can see, these are the spurs, that's the cloaca. And this is the possible female. I do not see any sign of possible pores, so I'm happy to see that. This is what you want to see in a possible female. Usually crested geckos start developing pores at maybe 5 grams to 10 grams. I'd say a gecko past the 15 gram mark with no pores is definitely a female. It might change. Some people say and claim that it still can change. I haven't had this happen yet, so I can't make that claim yet, but if people say so, then we still have to trust the process and see where it goes. So if we're not fully sure, this is still a probable female. I definitely think that it is a female because I would definitely be seeing some kind of pores at this size. I have geckos that weigh 4 grams and have more pores than this gecko. So yeah, this is the female. She is very pretty. She looks healthy as well. She only has a couple kinks in the tail, which can probably be corrected with some proper insect feeding, which I bet Robby already does. And otherwise, she will probably be ready to breed in maybe half a year. Now this is the male. I clearly have no doubts that this is a male. Not only can I see pores, but I can also see a way bigger bulge that is way more noticeable as well. So this is clearly a male that I'm going to be probably breeding to my female to get some visual Axanthics. He looks healthy overall. I didn't really need to do this with him because I am sure that this is a male. Look at all those pores. You see right in the middle, that line of pores. I'm gonna do some zoom so that you can see it better. But those pores in there, those are the ones that we're looking for, the pre-anal pores. And they usually go up to the leg. You can see it, you can follow the trail. If you have any doubts, you can always go to the back legs and see if it's going towards the middle part of it. And also it looks more shiny than she did. That is also kind of an indication that it is a male. So overall, I'm pretty content. I'm not gonna lie. These look healthy. They look like they don't have any issues. Look at those scales. Yeah, they look pretty healthy. I like them, and I'm glad that I got these. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. I hope this video was interesting. If you want to see what we do with these Axanthic or Het Axanthic geckos, we're probably going to start producing visuals in a year or two, depending on if they are male and female, and depending on if we pair them up this season, next season, or what we do with them. So if you're interested, just stay tuned with the channel. We'll be definitely posting things about these guys. And thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.